Hello. So I wanted to just make a quick video to show you the difference between the sum of the raw scores, sum of the raw score squared, and the sum of the raw score squared. So these symbols you are going to see in most of your statistical problems. Once you get to the higher statistical problems like ANOVA, you are going to see all three of these symbols in one problem. And it's really important that you understand what the difference is between them and how to get each of those numbers. So I'm just going to do a quick little video and show you how to get those and just to kind of emphasize the difference between them. Okay, so let's go ahead and start out with our first value here, which is the sum of the raw scores. Now we know that this symbol here, sigma, I believe it's called, is the sum of. So these are our raw scores here. So let's go ahead and just add those up. So we're going to add all of those numbers up, and that's going to give us 116. Okay, so there is that value. Now we're going to find the sum of the raw scores squared. So what we're going to do for that is we are going to square each raw score, and we are going to find the value over here. And then we're going to add all of that up. Okay, so 6 squared is 36, 100 squared is, or 100 squared, 10 squared is 100, 17 squared is 289, 25 squared is 625, we've got 49, 81, 23 squared is 529, and 19 squared is 361. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing that we did over here. We're just going to add all these up. So when we add all of these squared scores up, that is going to give us 2,070. Okay, and now for the last one, since this is in parentheses, all that we're looking for is this value here. So in order to calculate this, all that we're going to do is we're going to plug this into this here. That's all that it's asking for within the parentheses. So it's going to be 116, which was our sum of the raw scores, and we are going to square that. So when you square 116, that is going to give you 13,456. So as you can see, all of these symbols are really similar, but the answers are totally different. So I just, want to emphasize how important it is to know the difference between them and show you guys how to obtain those, obtain the answers for those. So best of luck, and I hope this video helped.